Right, we have here this particular word problem, and it reads as follows. The sum of two numbers is 13. 3 times the smaller number is 1 less than twice the larger number. What are the two numbers? We present this particular problem in a step-by-step fashion as follows. Right, we proceed to solve this word problem here and we present a solution. Right, in presenting the solution, we begin as follows and we say let x be equal to the smaller number. Simultaneously, y becomes the larger number. Right, like so. And we're able to see that the sum of these two numbers here is 13, and this gives us one equation. Right, and this equation can be transformed, and we can write this equation as y equals minus x plus 13. Let us call this one here equation 1, the first equation. Right, so the sum of two numbers is 13. We've seen that. Now, 3 times the smaller number is 1 less than twice the larger number. Let's analyze that. So now we know that we have the smaller number x and y is the larger number. And we're saying 3 times the smaller number is 1 less. Okay, so 3 times is 1 less when compared to twice the larger number. So if this is 1 less, it means that the 2y is 1 more. And therefore, if you subtract 1 like this, the 2 will be equal to each other. And now we can put our equal sign here and call this equation 2. And we proceed to then say put 1 into 2, which means that 3x equals 2y, and y is minus x plus 13, right, like so. This is exactly 3x equals minus 2x plus 26 minus 1, and which actually is 3x equals minus 2x. Right, and then 26 minus 1 is what? Is 25. Right, you bring the 2x to the other side, getting 5x equals 25. Right, and upon careful examination, we divide the left by 5. We divide the right also by 5, getting x equals 5. Okay, so we have x equals 5. Okay, now, moreover, and we have that now using y equals minus x plus 13 together with x equals 5. We have y equals minus 5 plus 13, which means y equals what? Y is equal to 8. We have got, therefore, at this point, that y equals 8 and x equals 5. Let's do a quick check. Right, to check these answers, we proceed to find the sum of this. We know that x is 5 and y is 8, and therefore the sum is 13. Call that x is 5 here, and we call that y is 8 here, and therefore the sum is 13. Looking at the following, moreover, right, 3x is the other equation. 3x equals 2y minus 1. Let's check if the values of x and y satisfy this. X is 5. Y is what? 8. Which means it is 15 equals... here is 16 minus 1 is also 15. Okay, so yeah, we're good. So this is okay, and that is all right. Now, this is the result. And we have got the answer to this problem, and we checked both the sum is 13, and therefore also this equation is satisfied by the two numbers. And so now we can conclude that hence, right, hence the two numbers are okay. So let's we can say the two numbers are that. So, but yeah, let's put it like this and say hence the larger number. Well, first let's start with the smaller number, because we have the smaller number and the larger number. You can just separate and say hence the smaller. Hence the smaller number is x equals 5. And the larger number is y equals 8. Right, we have already checked and confirmed the truth of this, and this obviously is the conclusion. And we have solved this particular problem in a step-by-step manner. Thanks everybody for joining us, and goodbye to you.